So aside from the themes of the contemporary dance, we do also have to discuss about the techniques and movements styles of the contemporary dance. So contemporary dance incorporates a mix of techniques. First, fall and recovery, moving with gravity rather than resisting it. Secondly, floor work, dancing on or near the ground to convey grounding or struggle. Third, improvisation. It is one of the most important and most visible part in terms of contemporary dance. Spontaneous movement, allowing dancers to explore their bodies. Again, wala siya fixed step. We do also have release techniques, relaxing the body to move efficiently or organically. And lastly, breathe and momentum, using breathe to guide movement naturally. So dancers may also incorporate elements from hip-hop, African dance, contrast improvisation, even martial arts, depending on the choreographer's vision. As what I have said earlier, one of the characteristics of the contemporary dance is that it has a broad scope of genre. It could scope with African dance, contact improvisations, as what I have said earlier with the techniques. Also, dapat good, the way you dance is dapat related siya or connected siya on what we are conveying to. Diba? In even martial arts, most especially martial arts would be applicable on the theme or on wars, chaos, diba? Or depending on the choreographer's visions. So it is sa una lang nimo, the challenge is sa una nimo on how you're able to convey your message through the dance. Next is the discussion around contemporary dance. First is the freedom versus structure. While contemporary dance is often praised for its freedom, some critics argue that this can sometimes lead to lack of form or clarity. So what I have said earlier, that this would be one of the most greatest challenges when we have the contemporary dance. How we're able to convey your message clearly and dali ra ma-adapt sa mga audiences, di ba? So, muna siya, it is one of the parts of techniques, improvisation. You have the freedom on how you're able to act or dance it. However, many believe this openness is its strength, allowing for true artistic innovation. Second, next side is accessibility to audience. Because some contemporary dance is abstract or symbolic, it may be difficult for the audiences with the style to understand. Yet, this also gives space for diverse interpretations and emotional responses. So again, it's just related with what I have said earlier, that kung saan mo pag-take na it would be easily understand or interpreted with the audiences. As long as there is the connections, the actions that you are doing to or dancing to, not just with the connections with your co-partner, but also the connections towards the audiences. Kaya sila atong gitarget, sila ang atong gi-conveyan sa message. Again, this yet gives space for diverse interpretations and emotional responses. Third is evolving nature. So how? Contemporary dance constantly evolves with new generations, technology, and global influences. Today, some performers even include multimedia, spoken word, or even digital projections. So nowadays, as nagka-grabe ang ato ang advancement with the technology, it is also how the dancers is very innovative in a way that they would utilize those aspects para mas mapakonvey pa nato ang mga messages through contemporary dance. Diba? It also not just about utilizations of the mediums, but also the utilizations mas nigrabe ang generations, mas daghan-daghan ta og mga current issues that we are able to convey, or themes that matakol or mascope nato. Diba? As daghan tang makita ng mga performances nga sa una from the past contemporary dance that we are been observing is that normal dance lang yun. Diba? There would be drama, rituals, but now nanay ma-insert ng mga spoken poetry from the beginning of the contemporary dance, or even na natay mga LED at the back while dancing contemporary dance, or even multimedia, mag-use na sila og mga glow in the dark ng mga instruments para mas authentically pleasing and visually pleasing siya tan-awon. Og with that, if you're able to use those mediums, mas dali masabtan sa mga audiences. Fourth is that education and cultural impact. One of the most important aspects that we are able to refer to. Contemporary dance is now widely taught in schools, universities, and studio worldwide. It promotes creativity, body awareness, emotional expression, and discipline. So that is one of the main objectives, good, why we have contemporary dance or why we perform contemporary dance. It's because it promotes the creativity. It's not just about the creativity na how the performers perform or perform, but it also unlock the creativity sa ato mga audiences. Also with body awareness on how we're able to interpret our message, emotional expressions. Again, it's one of the crucial part kung mag-contemporary ta. The emotion is there. Diba? For the audience would feel kung unsa gyud ang ipafganahan nimo ipa-feel with your audience. And also the discipline. Again, they would be napagyan tayo limitation and boundaries, most especially if social and political. Diba? As long as di mo beyond with the boundaries, as long as there's the discipline, it's okay to interpret or to convey your content or message through the audience. So, as a conclusion, for the contemporary dance is that contemporary dance is more than just a movement. That's just about dancing. It's just a form of storytelling, emotional release, and cultural reflection. It invites both dancers and audiences to explore the depths of human experience and imagination. Whether performed on stage, in a studio, or in conventional spaces, it continues to push boundaries and redefine what dance can be. Mauna atong hanaw-naon that even in dance, we could express what we really want to express, or we could convey, encourage, motivate our audiences through the power of dancing, through the power of contemporary dance. So I hope you have learned a lot so much for today with contemporary dance, and I am excited to see you guys on how we're able to dance or interpret in a way in your respective theme into the world of contemporary dance. Once again, this is John Carlo Asarsona, and thank you for watching. See you guys!